YouTube channel. This is Norina Gawal. Today I will explain you how you can make money with Amazon Associate and how you can work with Amazon. Right now I will move on and show you how you can create an account with Amazon. So go to Google, type the Amazon Associate. I will show you. You need to type Amazon Associate and click first link, and here we go. You will see recommended products earn commission. You need to first sign up and recommend, share million of products with your audience. We have customized link tools for large publisher, and you get 10% commission. These days lots of people are doing Amazon affiliate. So now we will sign up, and you need to create your account, right? I will put my name. I have already account, so I will put a new name. So Kawal, and here password. Create your account. So okay, so I will enter new. Now I will create password. Let's see. Yes. Enter to verify email, send one-time password. So I get code on my email. I get the code and put it there. Okay friend, I get my code on email 929376. Create your Amazon account. So you need to put your information here, and next. I will put my information here and then go to next. In pay side you can put any name, your first name, second name, anything, so you can use it, right? And okay, after entering your information you will see this page. In here enter your website, so you can enter your any website like Instagram, Facebook or TikTok, where you think your traffic is come here or audience is coming here, like TikTok or Insta. So I will add my in TikTok here. You need to enter here and add, and this is my TikTok ID. Next. And now you need to fill out this form. What is your preferred associate ID, your website list, and what are your website or mobile about. So which of the following topic best describe your website or mobile. So you can say education, and secondary topic you can choose business or industrial. It's up to you, as much as you can select. Okay, so totally up to you what is your niche or what is your interest. So what type are website or mobile apps. So I will add their content or niche website. No, I will add blogging. And in secondary, again, content or niche website. Okay, so traffic and monetization. And this is here you need to check out where your traffic format, like TikTok or email or ad. So you just need to email, inform, social network, totally up to you which is suit to you. Right now, how do you utilize your website and apps to generate income? So in primary, I will add other, you can say Amazon Associate is the only way I monetize my site. So secondary, you can say other affiliate programs. And how do you usually build links? You can say blog. And how many total unique visitor do your website and app get per month? So you can say it's up to you. I will enter this 5,000 to 50,000. So next is what is your primary reason for joining Amazon Associate program? So you can say to monetize my site. How did you hear about us? Online search, and you can say word of mouth and blog post, anything you like. It doesn't matter. So put this captcha MCC683. You agree and finish. Oh, I need to fill out this. Okay, I fill out what is your affiliate store ID. You can put any name. Don't need to be very specific name. What are your website mobile about? It's educational website and self grooming, self development. Okay, so development, and here we go. Finish. Yes. Now enter your payment and tax information later, and you get unique ID. This is your unique ID, and you can also check your email. You get confirmation email. Right now, do it later. So I will show you how you can. Okay, now click on product links, and you will see I will choose here books, and now I will search on books, and here I will put affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing and go. You will see there is books link, and it totally up to you which book you want to promote. So I will pick high price product like 25, get link, and here is the link. Right now I will copy it and here we go. You will see this is your affiliate link. You can short this link and copy this link and paste into your TikTok account, right? So that this is how you can apply Amazon affiliate. When someone buy from your link this book, you will get commission, right? And okay friends, this is a guy who is selling product Amazon on TikTok. Let me show you his link tree. Open anyway. So and you see he's mentioned lots of product from Amazon, right? When someone buy this product from his link, he will get commission. So this is how you can make money with Amazon. And if you need more information, just go to description and see there is 15 days challenge. Take your challenge and learn about it, how you can start your online business. And thank you. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.